If you've decided to close your Slack account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the account closure. Step 1. Sign into Slack. Log into your Slack account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct workspace that you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Administration, then choose Manage Members or Workspace Settings depending on your role. Step 3. Navigate to Account Deactivation. In the Settings menu, look for the option related to Account Management or Deactivation. This may be labeled as Deactivate Account or Close Account. Step 4. Confirm your decision. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. Read any warnings or information provided, as this action may be reversible. Confirm your choice to proceed. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After completing the deactivation process, check your email for confirmation message from Slack. This email will confirm that your account has been successfully closed. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Slack support.